Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. We'll get right to it. I'm going to show you where your starter relay is on your 2000 to 2005 Impala. Let's take a look together. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. So if you take a look under the hood on this side here, there's the box and there's the relay. Actually, it's marked right there. There's probably this little tang here, just gently. This little lock, I guess you want to call it. Tried doing it with my fingers and it's like, nah, I needed to use that. And that little piece just sits in there. It's not really a hinge, it just sticks out. And of course, there's our little schematic or map. So crank relay, it says right there. And you can see how this cover just kind of goes into that hole layout. So that's not really a hinge, but that's where it is. So this is this guy right here. Just give it a wiggle. And you notice it's got 4 prongs there. Now that can go upside down by accident. Look at this. And you see how close it touches the other relay? Not the way you want it. You'll notice the right way is got this little notch in the top left corner. And you can actually get it to jam in there and still not make contact. So just make sure that corner is there and make sure it's going in the right spot. So that was where the relay is. Hopefully this helps you a little bit. If you'd like more videos, I'll put a link in the top right hand corner to a playlist on this vehicle. Please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. To make sure that there is something wrong with the relay,